Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in our neck region here. Here exactly thyroid gland is present. And the hormone released by thyroid gland is called as thyroxine mainly. Thyroxine is the hormone released by thyroid gland. This hormone is commonly called as personality hormone. This hormone is commonly called as personality hormone. Why it is called as personality hormone? First, we should understand what is personality. Personality is physical and mental fitness. A person is called as, or you call a person as having good personality when if that person is fit both physically and mentally. Now, our physical and mental fitness of the body is decided by what? It is decided by metabolism of the body or metabolic activity of the body. And the metabolism or metabolic activity of the body is controlled by thyroxine. Since thyroxine has influence over our metabolism, it decides our personality. So this hormone is called as personality hormone. Again, same thing, this thyroxine should not be released in excess quantity. It should not be released in less quantity. We call it as hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism. Now, one incidence or one case of hypothyroidism. When this thyroxine or the hormone released by thyroid gland is not released in a proper quantity, means under secretion, when it is released in less quantity, now in order to release more and more thyroxine, thyroid gland present here will swell. It swells, and that condition is called as goiter, simple goiter. That condition is called as simple goiter. Now, the activity of the thyroid gland is controlled by mainly by iodine. So, always we should consume iodine-rich food. That's why nowadays iodine is mixed with the salt and we call it as iodized salt. Because each and every person has to use salt in his food or in her food. And during that time, along with the salt, even iodine enters into our body. So it is said that people living in coastal area very rarely suffer from thyroid problem. Because what the food they consume, seafood, especially fishes, what the food they consume, it is rich in iodine content. That's why generally they will not suffer from thyroid gland. Now there is one more gland which is embedded in the thyroid gland called as parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland. There are small glands called as parathyroid glands present inside the thyroid gland. And what they do, parathyroid gland, they release hormone called as parathormone. You can call it as parathormone, or you can also call it as parathyroid hormone. This parathyroid, short form we write PTH. PTH is the short form. PTH, parathyroid hormone or parathormone, released by parathyroid gland, which is embedded in the thyroid gland. What they do? They are mainly related with maintaining calcium level in our bones and blood. In our body, you can call. Okay, they maintain calcium level in our body. So that is the main function of parathyroid gland. Thus, thyroid and parathyroid gland, both of them, their location is same and they are very important in controlling various activity of the body. I repeat once again. Thyroid gland is called as personality hormone because it controls metabolic activity of our body. Whereas parathyroid gland, which is present in the thyroid gland, it releases hormone called as parathormone or PTH, and it maintains calcium level in our body. So in the next session, we will study about another important gland, very important gland, and it is pancreas.